I have recently hit 500 subscribers. That is very pog.
The dictionary! It's the only book that spits straight facts!
Hey you, do you want me to voice act for your projects? Join the Discord and DM me about it.
Sitting there, by the way. They're camping corners of judges.
Do you think you are scary? Do you think this is threatening?
Last player standing.
It's a lot to take in, but we all have our endings. Please enjoy all the small things. It's time for us both to say goodbye.
Yeah. It's been 3 days! It's been 3 whole days!
Booty smells like poo-poo.
I can't keep up! Oh, that one did it again! Well, no, I want the electric shield.
John, I guess. And if you want us to keep doing videos like these, then we can't really do that if our microphone breaks.
We have no cash.
We have $0.
And if anything breaks right now, we're not going to be able to replace it because we don't have any cash. And we really don't feel like spending any more of our parents' money, so...
$3. And you take away 2. How many dollars do you have?
26.
He's not drinking all that weird think juice or whatever he calls it.
Yeah.
Tell me, do you believe that? I don't.
I hear Nominally's talking about going back in time. It's pretty cool.
Why the house is on fire?
Listen, man. I deal with a lot of crap.
26.
Don't save us yet.
Yup. I'm gonna be real with you here, mate. I think we're gonna die here.
How did you even get us in here in the first place?
I have no clue whatsoever. Straight up, I don't know.
Well, what are we supposed to do here, Bonnie? We're trapped. We can't do anything. There isn't anything for us to do.
Well, I don't know what we're supposed to do, mate. All right, we could go find some people to talk to. Lately, why? Why is that something?
I was asking if they could constantly hear you.
No, they can't.
Subscribe to Scruffy. He makes videos just like.
Equal to 9, please.
Oh, God. No! Get out of my head! I'm sorry.
Oh my sweet Jesus.
I shouldn't. Anything for a while.
Okay.
So you have to like throw it at a wall and it hits it and then it blinds. A genius! A genius! Alright, let's move on to the next animation. This one is by Lyanna. What is happening? Oh.
Stop the music. That was pretty good. This one is live action. Yeah, did you? Well, I just came to let you all know that Nominal is writing a fanfic, So, do that, and of course, get the double barrel. And this freaking fan of mine is doing nothing.
I'll just go with the two, honestly. Just two regular cheeseburger plains, a large thing of fries.
Yeah, it comes
Maybe
with
two large fries.
I think it comes with mustard, ketchup, and mayonnaise.
In the notepad, fates are written, 'cause Pandora didn't listen. Time will go on, and here with me, our fun shall be infinite, you will see. Many times will the broken go inside their pain and smoke and spend their nights say they're a righteous time. I find that they're dead inside.
Wait.